Today we're answering one of the most frequently asked questions by aspiring medics across the world. Is medicine actually that hard? Hi everyone, I'm Manpreet. I'm one of the presenters here at the Aspiring Medics and a medical student at the University of Birmingham. Today we're going to be talking about what actually makes medicine hard and whether you'll be able to handle it. So what actually makes medicine hard? I said the main things that do make medicine hard are things like the volume of the content you're learning, the adjustment from your A-levels, and finally the emotional and social challenges that come from starting university. So in terms of the actual content that you'll be learning in your preclinical years, I'd say the complexity is a lot less than A-level maths and A-level physics. The sheer quantity can be quite overwhelming. So from my personal experience when I was in my preclinical years a few years back now, I was pretty much doing 9 to 5 lectures back to back with tutorials in between, with placement alongside that as well every week. So at times it became a lot to juggle, and it especially got a lot more difficult at the end of the semesters where I had exams, so I had to stay on top of everything, make sure I'd been revising from the very get-go. Additionally, I'd say another big challenge of studying medicine and what makes it hard is the big adjustment from your A-levels. There's a lot less spoon feeding. You don't have a sole teacher as a point of contact to guide you for your subjects. You have one lecturer for around 300 students, the cohort of your medical school. And additionally, these lecturers, they change for every single module that you are learning, and there's a lot of different staff involved in your learning and your teaching inside the medical school. So I'd say that the structure of your learning is a lot less personalized and it's a bit more nuanced as well. And finally, I'd say that the biggest challenge in studying medicine is the fact that it's a very big emotional from home and studying medicine at a university, and also there's a lot of social challenges that you have to tackle as well when you are at medical school. And all of this coupled with the sheer amount of content that you're learning makes this especially difficult. This is the first time you're away from home, you're having to cook, clean for yourself, you're having to make new friends for the first time, and you're trying to explore a big city as well too. So it can take a really big toll on you if you don't have a developed routine already. So at times you can feel quite lonely, burnt out, and a lot of students do report imposter syndrome since they're constantly surrounded by such bright and intelligent minds all the time. All that being said, are you able to handle all this? The best way to tackle medicine is to be disciplined with your time, being able to balance both medicine and the fun things in your life. So if you are able to block out your time well, have a schedule for your learning, study in study groups, but also do things outside of medicine like sports, societies. Make sure that you're on top of your sleeping and your eating. I'd say you'd handle or adjust into medical school just fine. That being said, it's also very important to be very kind to yourself, because there will be times where your to-do list is going to be never ending and you won't be able to finish everything on your to-do list. But that's okay, you'll be able to pull through like the rest of your peers as well. And finally, you don't need to be a genius to do well at medical school. You just need to be consistent. In order to be deemed a genius at medical school, you need to get high grades. And in order for you to get high grades, you pretty much need to know all of the content, which just requires you to manage your time and start revising a lot earlier on. So again, the key to doing well at medicine or to pull through in medicine is to be disciplined and to be consistent with your timings. So to answer your question, is medical school really that hard? Yes, but not for the reasons that you think it might be. So content is very doable, but if you don't have the right routine or the right discipline, that you may struggle. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this in the future.